Have you ever played a song near an animal and wondered what was happening inside its head? Maybe your dog tilted its head. Maybe your cat walked away. Maybe a bird seemed to dance. To us, music feels emotional, powerful, almost universal. But to an animal, that same melody might be comfort, confusion, warning, or nothing more than pattern noise. Humans often want to believe music can cross every boundary. We see videos of foxes listening to violins, parrots moving to pop songs, and dogs howling along with singers. It feels magical, as if animals are secretly enjoying the same beauty we hear. But a reaction is not always proof of enjoyment. An animal may be curious, startled, trained, relaxed by routine, or simply responding to sound. So the real question is not just, do animals like human music? The better question is, what does human music become inside an animal brain? Every species lives in a different world of hearing, memory, rhythm, and emotion. A song that touches us deeply may not carry the same meaning for them. Before we can understand their reaction, we have to understand how they listen. Music may seem mysterious, but at its simplest, it is sound arranged into patterns. A beat repeats, a rhythm changes, a pitch rises, another falls, and the human brain begins searching for order inside the noise. That order is what makes a song feel like more than random sound. But animals do not enter that pattern with the same expectations we do. Their ears may detect vibrations, frequencies, and timing, yet each species is built for a different sound world. A dog hears higher tones than we do. A bird may notice tiny details in calls that humans miss. A horse may care more about calmness in a voice than melody. So when human music reaches them, it passes through a completely different filter. This is why experiments can surprise us. When cotton-topped tamarin monkeys were given a choice between flute music and silence, they mostly chose silence. The same sound that humans might call peaceful seemed unimportant or even unwanted to them. To those tiny monkeys, human music was not a universal language. It was just a pattern from another creature, built for another brain. This completely changes how we should ask the question from the very beginning. Orangutans pushed the question even further. In zoos, people often play radio as if music must improve the animal's day. But when researchers gave orangutans choices between different human genres and silence, they mostly chose silence again. Some even showed signs of frustration, as if the test itself was annoying. That does not mean orangutans are simple. It means our music may not be organized in a way their brains care about. So asking, do animals like music, is too blunt. A better question is, what parts of music can an animal actually use? Humans enjoy songs partly because our brains predict what comes next. We hear a beat, expect the next beat, sense tension, then feel release when the pattern lands or changes. That tiny game of prediction can trigger reward in us without food, danger, or survival involved. For many animals, human music may not start that same game. The notes may not connect to memory. The rhythm may not invite prediction. The emotion may not translate. Without those links, a song is only organized sound. An organized sound is not automatically meaningful to every living brain at all in the way it feels meaningful to us now. Some animals do show something closer to musical timing. The famous dancing cockatoo did not just react to sound. When the song slowed down, it adjusted. When the beat changed, it tried to find the new pulse. That matters because moving with a beat requires prediction, not just hearing. Parrots, dolphins, whales, seals, and humans share rare abilities for complex sound learning. And those abilities may connect hearing with movement in powerful ways. This does not mean every parrot is secretly a music fan, but it suggests some animals have tools that make rhythm more interesting. Sea lions can also learn to move with a metronome, though training and rewards may be part of the reason. Dogs show a different kind of response. When a dog howls along with a song, it may not be thinking, "This is beautiful." It may be joining a group signal, like wolves answering each other across distance. To a dog, music can become social sound. It may mean someone is present, something familiar is happening, or the pack is making noise together. That is very different from sitting back and admiring melody in a human way. It is participation, memory, and deep instinct combined. For pets that live with humans, music can become meaningful through association. A dog that hears classical music every evening may not understand Beethoven, but it may connect those sounds with home, quiet rooms, and the presence of its owner. A cat may relax near a certain melody because it has learned that nothing dangerous happens when that sound fills the house. Familiar music can become part of routine, and routine can feel safe. This is why some researchers have tried a different approach. Instead of asking animals to enjoy human music, they create music shaped for that species, using its natural calls, vocal range, heartbeat, and emotional sounds. When music was designed for tamarin monkeys, calming pieces made them quieter, while threat-based pieces made them more active. That suggests animals may respond more clearly when sound is built from their own world, not ours. So, what do animals think about human music? Maybe some hear comfort, some hear noise, some hear a social signal, and some hear nothing special at all. The deeper truth is that music is not universal by itself. It becomes powerful only when it speaks the language of a particular listening brain today.